people out there. Okay, this is the actual official introduction to the channel. Okay, name being Just in Pasta. Okay, we're going to be talking basically about pasta. I've already done 8 tutorials and hoping to go on obviously for the rest of the year, if not longer. We'll be talking obviously how to make pasta from a complete rookie point of view, because I'm not a chef. We'll be looking into how to make sauces, and probably as well going on to things like risotto and other ways of making piadina and things like that, really trying to look into the area and what it has to offer as far as food is concerned. I live in Romagna, so this is all to do with Romagna. The first year should be to do with that, if we can't find somebody else that comes from some other place in Italy, and then we'll learn from them. I'm going to try and work together with the people that are actually making the pasta. This will help you to understand where I make the mistakes and hopefully not make the mistakes. I will be putting in a few tips. If you're anything like me, about, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, I knew nothing about cooking, absolutely nothing. The only thing I could do was just vegetables. So I'm going to try and learn along with these people. All the things I've got, I'm going to try and show you guys how to do them and try and make it in the easiest way, and hopefully as well in the shortest way, because I know not everybody has got a lot of time. So if I can shorten it, I will. If I can redo it and shorten it, I will. But anyway, this is more a tutorial on how to eat well, obviously, and in a way that you may never have thought possible, because we go to the supermarket and we buy pasta. Why do we have to make it? We go to the supermarket and buy sauces that have E numbers in and things like that. Why do we have to make it? I came to the conclusion that it probably is a little bit better to make it on your own, but not only that, it's actually a lot better tasting as well. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials, and if you've got any questions, please whack them in. I'm be more than happy to answer them. Unfortunately, I've been living in Italy for about 25 years now. Don't even speak Italian very well, but well enough. But unfortunately, my English is going downhill as well. So you'll hear some cardinal sins as far as the language is concerned, but I will try and get a little bit better as I go on. I hope you all understand. Okay, if you think you might like these tutorials, obviously press on the bell, have a look, see what it's all about, and if you can subscribe, it'd be really, really good, and help me out in the year. After a year, if I can see that it does seem to go well, I'll be carrying on. If not, we'll stop it there and anybody can see whatever happens. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.